Who says practical can't be fun? When our engineering team set out to design the all-new Cross Hybrid Race Allroad, they had everyday versatility at the forefront of their minds. But, as riders themselves, they also wanted to create a hybrid that's fun to ride. So the Cross Hybrid Race Allroad blends all our frame building know-how with Bosch's powerful new 4th generation CX drive unit and a selection of smooth, reliable components, so you can concentrate on enjoying the journey. The brand new frame takes inspiration from our mountain bike hybrids, encompassing a new, modular and enclosed battery system and a motor mount that's so sleekly integrated into the frame's smooth lines, you'll find it hard to believe it's a hybrid.